All right, I'm going to walk you through how to improve tables for data. Here is one thing to do. Let's take a look at this row. I'll highlight it, and then I'll click up here on Formatting, and then Paragraph right here. And one thing we want to look at is the spacing before and after. I think it generally looks best with no spacing before and after. Of course, you can adjust it to however you like. But check out these. So you see how these numbers are at the high part? There's a lot of space after them. They're at the sort of the high part of the highlighted area. If I make these to 0, then those parts are going to go down and be more centered in the box. So I'm going to click OK, and we can see now they're lined up nicely. Another thing we can do is you see how there's a lot of space. So I'm trying to get this table onto a single page. It's too long for a single page. So one thing we can do is we can get rid of all the space that's in there. I'm just going to do it for this part of the graph, but obviously you'd want to do it for the whole graph. So one way to do that is we can highlight all these rows and we can adjust the height. Now I've made it to 0. Okay, that seems a little bit too small. So I'll go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. Maybe something like that. We'll see. That looks about right to me. So now we've got a better laid out graph. Now we see this again is having that same problem with the spacing, so I'll go ahead, go to Format, Paragraph, and check it out. Yep, that's the problem there. So set that down to 0, set that to 0 as well, and there we go. Alright, so already we've got a better graph design, and I'll work on the rest of the graph below here to make it even better.